Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. Hope you guys had an amazing week, but now we're getting ready for the next week. And just before we start, look at this, guys. 1,000 subscribers. Want to give yourselves a pat on the back. I don't even know what to even say. I didn't think we'd even get there, but yes, 1,000 subscribers, and we are still growing. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like at the end of this video because it does help me reach more people as well. It's all a part of the YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's get straight into the forecast now. Okay. So I had a lot of doubts, man. A lot of people were doubting me, saying that price won't even get down to 1680. Price will start moving up. But you can see exactly what happened. Price retraced, came back and retraced again for a second entry. And this is where we had the breakout. You see price was wedging in a sort of, you got like a sort of bear flag, if you can even say that. Price then broke out, went straight down towards 1681. And then we had Thursday and Friday, which was the bullish sort of move back up towards 1735. Now, what do we think that's going to happen next week? Let me just close this. Now, okay, 1680 still has not been touched or even, spiked through. There's been no wick. If you look on the left here, what usually happens is this was that crash that we had. Price went through 1680, went to 1678, again 1678, and again 1678. So what I think would happen here is this may be some sort of accumulation phase for now. We may start getting some sort of change in trend for the short term, which is good to see, because we've been on some sort of downtrend for a very long time now, and a lot of the buyers have been getting bored, not being able to trade. So as you can see, something like this has happened. Again, don't really use trend lines as much, but let's just put it in here. Yeah, okay, like that. Okay, so yeah, we had some sort of downtrending move, and then we broke out, and now what I will be expecting is, you can see we've got these letters here, ST, SC. If you guys know anything about accumulation phase or Wyckoff, this is what I'll be looking for. See, I had this sell zone here. I did not want price to break above this 45 level. Okay, if price can stay below this 1745, which is the CPI high, this basically indicates that price should consolidate within this area for at least a week or something. So we should get some sort of consolidation moves with the battle between sellers and buyers before any sort of move back up to fill these areas. We've got big chunks of imbalance here. You can see that we've got one there. We've got that 1760 level, which I've been watching for a while, which hasn't been tested as well. So in short, what I'll be looking for is, I would like price to retest the bullish move from Thursday again. So we should potentially get, this will be a retest of this trend line. We should get some sort of reaction here. Now, this reaction will define what we'll be doing, because what I think is, by following the accumulation phase and how it looks visually, that is, obviously it might be different in the market, is price may actually push up towards this 1760 level on a bullish sort of on a bullish sort of impulse. So we may get a continuation here to push above these highs. This could be a fake out, guys, here. So be careful, because once we get above these areas, price could instantly sort of push back down towards that 1680 level and finally sort of attack through it. If this is the case, expect some sort of quick bullish reaction, because this 1680 level is going to be very significant for buyers. You don't want to sort of be selling here. You want to be selling sort of as high as possible, because this 1680 can catch a lot of people out. You can see we didn't even touch 1680 yet, we moved up 200-300 pips. So something like this is what I want to see before we get an actual move towards the upside. So we may get some sort of consolidation here now. This is what I would like to see if price wants to start turning around. It happens usually. I'll quickly show you guys an example when we get some sort of consolidation for a move up. So this was another example here. Price pushed down, price then consolidated, as you can see, took out some lows, and then price started to move towards the upside. Do we have another one here? Yeah, we could say this is another sort of consolidation. Look at that. See, as you can see that, price pushes up, like this, comes back to attack these lows and then continues back up. So it's a sort of inverse head and shoulders, you could say, if you look at higher time frame. So we do get these sort of patterns quite often. Could this be something? We could get something that happened here. You know, price touched the 1680 level here, pushed up, came back down. But yeah, again, double bottom. This is pure liquidity that still has not been filled. You could say that that is some liquidity right there. Where's my sell buy side liquidity? Yeah, buy side. No, it's sell side liquidity anyway. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'll be looking for going over next week. Other scenarios are if price wants to continue pushing out of 1748 on Monday, Tuesday. If price continues to push up here, we may keep this impulse move to retest 1760 for a move back down, like so, or we could get a test of the 1780. Where is he? Run about 1800. But I don't think price would extend that far, but you never know. Price could continue its impulse move and continue extending. But again, this is a forecast, on my opinion, what I see right now, guys. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday could change. Monday, Tuesday could show us something different, and then the forecast will have to be updated, which I do share, guys, on my Telegram channel. Where are we? Here. Link is in the description. Free channel. We're almost at 1,300 members, still growing, and there is a VIP channel as well where I share my trades that we sort of enter. Okay. Yep, that's pretty much it. So consolidation for this week, if we can get it, we are aiming for bullish moves. We're sort of breaking out of this bearish structure. So retest, see if you can get a bullish reaction off that retest there. And then, yeah, just see if we can break that 1680 level, sort of like this, and then go for the main bullish move there. So take it easy going into next week. Next week, it's going to be the end of the month as well. It's the last week of July. So there's going to be some funny things going in play, and we are in summer markets as well. So volume is low at the moment anyway. So, okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been Elite Empire FX. Leave a like if you enjoyed the forecast, and yeah, peace out.